Hey friends, this is Peter, and I'm so excited to be launching The Growth Year, a limited 12-episode podcast that takes just minutes of your day. Today, we're facing our identity. Ready? Let's go. In The Growth Year, there's a forcing function to dive deep and reflect, to think, to dissect and answer the questions of the why, the what, the purpose, the what the am I even doing, and the big I, identity. Facing and finding yourself is never a one-shot deal. It's icky, uncomfortable. In an earlier episode, I talked about my first growth year and how circumstances outside of my control forced a complete pivot. My artistic life informed what I did for work, leveraging a creative mindset to tackle super hard problems. My work life informed launching into artistic projects with an eye towards rigor and getting messy. An infinite loop of creating, solving, and living fully in multiple identities. But sometimes those identities, when disrupted, need a hard reset, a growth year. The complexity of identity lies in how we see ourselves alone staring into a mirror versus our assumed projection of other people's opinion on us. We come to terms with our identity not by looking forward, but back, on how our past informs how we see the world today, how the ideals we take at surface value, as mentioned before in all or nothing approach to work, actually have deeper meaning and subtext. They play out in our decisions and how we see ourselves in the world. During this year, we're asked to come to terms and ask the why. Identity is asking us to pull back the curtain and evolve into finding the actual you, authentically, both feet planted on the ground. And with that, the breaking apart of our old identities and things that no longer serve us. As Paulo Coelho wrote, not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. And once that path is cleared, there's a slow rebuilding brick by brick, setting up a newer, stronger foundation for what's coming next. Thanks for tuning into The Growth Year. The information shared on this podcast is for informational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional, legal, or financial advice. We encourage you to consult a qualified professional before making decisions related to your career, business, or personal development. All views expressed are those of the host and the guests and do not reflect any official position of their employers, past, present, or future, or organization. By listening, you agree not to hold the host or guest liable for any decisions you make based on what you hear. See you next time.